Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Oh, this is a winner unboxing. I got it. I bought it. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this, the design. This reminds me of going to Belgium. And Belgium have a lot of this kind of house. And their chocolate packaging, their cookie packaging, a lot of them made into this kind of shape. If you go to Belgium, the other year I went there, and look at it. This is the red color. I think each design is a little bit different. And this is the white one. And the white one is a little bit matte. See, each design is different. That's so pretty. They are all different. The two sides, oh no, not the same. These are the same. This one. Oh, this is not the same. This one. Oh, they are all different. Oh, it's actually connected. Almost. Some of it is connected. This is not connected. And this one, not connected. Not connected. They are so pretty. Which one do we eat? They are so pretty. I love it. And I get it because of the pretty packaging. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If it squeeze, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny. Okay, I will not look at it. I will change the color. I kind of know the color. I need to put it here, turn it around. Now I totally lost track. Close my eyes, and I lost the track of which one is which one. I can feel it, but choose the middle. Oh, it's the white one. Choose the middle. Okay, we go with the middle. We say so pretty. This tape can be reused. Oh, there is even this mark of the texture. You can take a rest. This one, you can take a rest. This one, how do I open it? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so cute. if I put into the classroom and put some eraser, some little sticky notes in it, would be cool. That is so cool. This is such a good solid metal box. So, oh my goodness, it smells cinnamon big time. You can see the texture of it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so very much. Love it, love it. Yeah. You can put this way. You can put this way. You can put no, seems cannot. No, you can put this way because it's a square. You can put this way. Oh, you can decide which face you like. Oh, that I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Speculoos with a cup of tea. It's too precious to open it up. That's some quite a solid quantity. It's not only the packaging. Okay, here is another thing. I bought my glasses. Do you need to see it? It's always the same thing. Maybe I will not show you. It's always the same glasses. And I have something else I want to show you. Where did I put it? Okay, I am not showing you. That is enough. Let me pretend a little bit and use a piece. Oh, these halves are different. Oh, they are different. Uh-oh. Mm. 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 Oh, this is so good. I love it. friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Oh, you haven't seen the close up. One kind. Maybe there are only two kinds. Yeah, only two kinds. Oh no. I think I have another kind. Oh yes, two kinds. This one and this one. Only two kinds. Only two. Only, oh, three. Here is a circle. Three kinds. Zoom in. Are we in the right zoom? Oh, it looks pretty good. Now you have to change zoom, macro lens, macro. Wow. Okay, I put it down a little bit. We do macro lens. Further down. This is macro lens. I cannot. Let me put a box and look at it. Sawa. So we do even larger. Magnify. Oh, I think we'll stop here. That's it. Okay, I will eat it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye. Bon appetito.